Hello folks, today we're gonna show you one of the most popular dishes in the Thai kitchen. We're making pad Thai. Here are the ingredients. You need garlic, as well as shallots, some pad Thai rice noodles, chilies, fresh eggs, two tablespoons of palm sugar, shrimps, nampla fish sauce, unsalted peanuts, limes, spring onions, tamarind paste, soy sprouts, first cut the shallots into rings. Then cut the garlic. Next, cut the spring onions. Now you can crush the peanuts with a mortar. Now break the eggs into a small bowl. And stir around. Cut the chilies. And put the chilies into a bowl. Add the tamarind paste. And the fish sauce. Mix everything well. Add some palm sugar. And mix again. some water if the consistency is too thick. Next, heat oil in a pan, peanut or sunflower oil. Fry the shallots. Then add the spring onions. Steam until everything is glassy. Add the soaked, in warm water for 15 minutes, pad thai noodles. Fold in the vegetables. Now it's time to add the pad thai sauce, first 2/3 of it. And mix everything well. Try to halve the noodles so that you can eat them better. Add a bit more palm sugar. Make a bit free space and 1 more tablespoon of oil. Then add the shrimps and fry them. Then stir around again. Now at some free space, fry the eggs. By the way, you should use a bigger pan or wok. Wait for the eggs to set. Then fold in the noodles. Now you can add the bean sprouts. Put them underneath. You know, mixing everything well. Add the rest of our pad thai sauce. And don't forget to stir around. Now finally it's ready to serve. Add the rest of the spring onions as a topping.
Does that make me crazy?
And the lime slices.
Does that make me crazy?
As one more topping, you can use or should use the grinded peanuts. So there's nothing more to say than enjoy.